Today, something easy. We are going to remove this low beam bulb. So we'll need to remove this overflow bottle, which is held by these two 10mm bolts over here. And you have to like disengage these warners over here. That's this one is just rotate counterclockwise, and that's it. This has a seal over here. Make sure you are not losing it, otherwise it's gonna get dust and water inside the headlight. Right, so it has this locking mechanism here. As you can see, it's locked to this position, so you just need to move it over. So right now it's dark. Let's try to and that's it. Once this is removed, just can remove the wire. And this is our bulb. This is an H7. So this is our new bulb. This is the OM pot, but certainly you don't need to get a Hyundai bulb for this. You just can go aftermarket. And this is our new unit. Now for the installation, you never touch the bulb. You only need to touch the metal part, otherwise the bulb is gonna blow out, and you don't want that. And as you can see, it has a shape. Let's see here. It has a shape, and you just need to match the shape with the housing. I'll show you in 1 sec. So right there, so you can see that shape is pointing downwards, and after that you just need to connect the wiring and the secure. Just gonna go up and in right there. Need to test it. And you see, that's good. Doing good light. Now you need to reinstall the cap. Make sure you have the seal, and it has this shape over here, so you need to match it with the housing and rotate clockwise, just like that. Now it's secure. So now you just need to replace the overflow bottle right there. And as well, this wiring should go here, secure like that. Okay, that's the sensor for the hood, and that's it. See you next time.